Through the museum gallery. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember, you are representing Callaway Garden Elementary School. Sadie, you get out the front of the line. Everyone else line up behind Sadie. I want you to stay right in this line. I mean it, Cacti. I'm going right over here to check our group in.
This place is going
I recognize this place.
This is not where I thought we were going.
What did Mrs. Carolot say this place is called?
It's a museum.
Isn't this nice? You two, Harry, come over here, sweetie. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One person at a time, please. Yes, Dorothy.
Why are we here?
What's a decent?
Are we here to meet somebody?
The concert
Can we
is
please just go somewhere fun?
Get that! One person at a time, please. Now this is going to be fun, okay?
No. I mean, after we do this museum thing, then can we go somewhere fun? Like the park or the mall or the movie, something.
Let's get some ice cream! Ice cream! Ice cream!
Guys, keep it down. I can't take much more of this. Now, what you've been learning in class will come to life here at the museum. So to answer your questions, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are not here to meet anyone, and a docent is a knowledgeable guide. And if you don't want to be here, we can leave and go back to school.
Leave? We don't want to go back to school.
No, fine.
No,
Okay, guys, get in line. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Mrs. Carolot, we have decided we're not going anywhere. We thought we were coming here to have fun, so we are just going to sit here until something fun happens.
I'm gonna call Principal Jacobs.
Now what do we do?
don't know.
Do you hear that?
What's going on?
This is creepy. Look at how she's dressed. I like your style, students. You just made history.
What do you mean we made history?
We can't make history. Fourth graders only make social studies.
Yeah, like histories and textbooks.
No, history is now. History is made every day. What you are doing now is called a sit-in. See these students? They did the same thing 50 years ago that you are doing now.
That's cool.